Today's recipe is for Korean short ribs.
Korean short ribs is a traditional Korean dish of grilled ribs. It's marinated in a sweet and savory sauce and typically cooked on a tabletop grill.
Also known as flanking, they are cut thinly across the ribs. Let's gather our ingredients, y'all. 3 pounds of flanking steak, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 green onion, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, a half of pear, 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil, plus 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar or either mirin, and a dash of red pepper flakes depending on how hot you like it. Add all of your ingredients to your blender, except your short ribs. Blend on medium-high speed until all the ingredients have been well incorporated. Place the short ribs in a Ziploc bag. Pour in your marinade, seal the bag, and massage all of the marinade into the meat. Refrigerate for at least 2 to 3 hours, but overnight is really the best. Using your grill or grill pan, or if you don't have it, a nice heavy skillet, you're going to sear your short ribs. After a couple of minutes, flip the sides. Then remove from the skillet. Now, if they're thick like these are, I place them in the oven about 350 degrees for about 10 minutes to finish cooking. That's it, beloved. Easy peasy. Plate it over some rice. Serve with some Asian slaw, some Thai chili cucumbers, and voila, a weeknight dinner that didn't take all week to make. And some toasted sesame seeds are the perfect finish. Make something yum, y'all.